Hi, welcome to this video of PowerShell training. This is the last video in this series and I want you to check a few of the scripts which are worth trying after having this training. So let's discuss about these scripts. The first script is about VLOOKUP. So I am not very good at Excel, and there is a function in Excel to VLOOKUP the data from one column and put the details into third column. So what I did is I created these two input files, and it looks up the value from second input file into the first input file, and if it matches, it put the relevant value into third input file or the output file. Let's discuss about the next script. This script is to enable AD accounts, wherein I get the list of users from input file, and for the target OU, this script enables these users and clear their description and move them to the target OU. This script is to disable the users and change their description with the date on which it was disabled. This script is to clear the content of GPO history folder here. So it gets the list of computers from input file and clears the content of the history folder from the respective computer. This script is to get or check the NS records and missing DNS records. It's quite complex but worth giving a try for practice. Then this is another kind of try that the script that I tried to build the kind of PowerShell tool to calculate the C drive space and check what all folders are consuming the space 3 levels below the actual drive. So I wrote a function over here to create the summary and get the list of folders into a table format. So it checks for multiple computers from the input file and get the details of the path, what are the folder counts, file counts, and size in GB. Now the next script is for a scheduled reboot that created with the help of Citrix snap-ins. So in this script I created a code and to write every action into the log file. So this is how it looks. At the starting, it will check the date and write into the log files. Then it gets the list of computers from input file. It does few checks on the Citrix side, and then it reboots those computers. Once the reboots are done, it waits for a certain time that is defined into the script, and after the wait time is complete, it again gets the details of all machines with respect to if they are online or offline or what happens with them, and it again writes a log into the log file. This script is to archive the old logs from Windows on a destination drive, I mean from C drive to the another drive for the logs older than certain days, whatever we define in the script. Here it checks for some source, destination, and destination path. Then I have written a function to zip the contents of source and then move it to the destination and remove it from source. And here it gets the list child folders and then archive it on the destination. This script is to move the AD objects with the help of this get AD and say move AD object command. Pretty simple. You have to mention source and destination OU, and it does the function as expected. Then this is a simple script to get the user accounts which are not logged in since 1 year. Here are the days I've mentioned, and I have compared it with the last logon timestamp and got the details here. So this command is to export the result, and this command is to list the user in table format. This is another interesting script wherein we had to check few Citrix machines with specific event ID in system event logs and specific keywords like group policy, and get the count of events whatever there on the target machine, which are provided in the input file, or we can get it from Citrix as input. Then the last script that I want to explain is about deleting contents of folders based on their age. Here we create the target folder that needs to be processed, then some warning messages that the folder will delete, the script will delete all files within the folder. Then we test the path and some functions to report or error report the messages or errors that occurred, and write it into the log file. And this is the main program. It gets all the child items recursively, compares their last write time. If it is less than 30 days, it will not do anything, otherwise it will just remove them, and does the function. So purpose of showing all these scripts to you is that once you complete this training, it is not just that you continue as it is and does not practice anything. So you have to keep on practicing with different codes and see how PowerShell works, and keep yourself engaging or challenge yourself for different things which can be done with the help of PowerShell. So I'm very thankful to you for watching all my videos and going through all the videos and instructions I have provided. So even if you don't understand everything out of all videos, don't worry about it. I mean, even if you have just started learning PowerShell, even if you have learned few commands or learn to create codes with few lines, that is okay. Assume that, or just remember, whatever technology you are expertise in, you haven't learnt it in just a week or a month. It took you to learn that technology months or several years. Similarly, look at PowerShell. You will not learn it within a month or weeks. You will have to spend some time, practice it for few months, and then only you will learn this technology. So I'm really thankful to you for watching all these videos, and after watching these videos, I strongly recommend that you do the practice, and I wish you a very good luck for the upcoming journey. So this is not the end, this is the new beginning of your journey towards learning this technology. And once again, I wish you best of luck. Thank you for watching all this series, and I hope everything was informative to you. Thank you. Have a good day.